Hi, this is 16mm mantle push button. The mantle case is made of stainless steel. Self-locking mantle button. Pressing it will not automatically return. You need to press it again to return. The switch uses non-polar LED, so do not have to consider the problem of positive and negative when connecting the wire. The material of pin is the environmental protection of copper, which has higher strength and plasticity, and can withstand cold and hot processing. Thank you for watching the video.